You guys, it's me that chose this tiles for the bathroom, but now it looks so busy to me. I don't like it. I feel like it's too busy now. I'm just trying to arrange it to have like so that it blends on the wall, so at least it looks a bit better. Because they're about to start tiling the wall for our bathroom. So that's the shower area, but the shower is not coming out from here. The shower is coming out from up there. There's a tiny hole there, right there, and then there's shower here as well. But anyways, here there's a bathtub here. That's why the stuff is here. They're about to start tiling, and it looks so busy to me. Oh my god. I don't know why I chose this tile, but you know the funny thing, if I live in this house for like 6 months or manage it for 1 year and it's just too busy to me, I'll knock everything off and just change the tiles. So that's the advantage. At least nothing is forever, really. But we'll see how it looks. Maybe it'll come out looking lush.
The very next evening.
I regret. I regret this tie. It's so busy. It's so busy. But when they finish, maybe I'll change my mind. Because in my head now, I already know that in like 3 months after moving into this house, I will change it. This is the ugliest ties I've ever come across in my whole life. Whole entire life.
The next morning.
One thing about this Spanish style, the designs are not the same.
Like see that one is very good.
I'm saying they need to make like those people will get sense. Yes, and the sense. And so Spanish color.
That thing is gum.
The design, not the
What design? Some of them are plain, some of them are. This one is still steamed. When the finish the style is going to be so beautiful. Instead of doing this cut and join, instead of doing cut and join on a plain one, we did it here because this is where the toilet is. Toilet seat to cover it completely. Perfect. That's the design. Look at this grey tie, it's so fine. It's so nice. I love it. Yeah, that's why they stopped today. This is so much better. Like, I'm so happy. I'm way happier now. So much better. They're still fixing it. Glass. Wood. With drawer. Wood. Glass. Demarcation.
This is wood also.
Wood. Every other thing is wood. It's still short. It's okay.
Yeah.
Just a small something. Yeah, it's okay. This is Francis' design over here. I mean, it was this before. Change it to this just now. Yeah, so this is our walk-in. It's not done. I think this place is supposed to be brown. He's buying it in Abuja. Like he's buying some woods in Abuja. And the covers, the glossy finish covers. But so far, so good. I have a very tiny thing here. But I made it like movable that I can just move it to the side. Yeah, and our bathroom is still so dirty. You guys, it's still so dirty. They're still fixing it. This is not the color that this wood will be. It's gray. This is just the inside. It's gray. Then the sink is going on top. And this tap is so cute. Babe, you know off the water again. Look at this tap. The way it comes out is so cute, but the guy didn't fix it well. And that thing you guys are looking at is going on this wall, like deco. But yes, last update. Oh, they're still doing my closet. I can't wait for them to be done. Seriously, can't wait. This is my shoe rack, bag and wigs and all that. There's another one here. Another one here. Maybe I'll just arrange my wigs here. All my favorite wigs will just go down like this. The bathroom. They're fixing this now.
all your two-piece. Mm-hmm. Anything like this set here.
What does it have to say?
Then it's right here. It's where we're putting t-shirts. Is it only 4 t-shirts you have?
I have more t-shirts. Is it new t-shirts?
Both new, old, everything.
Are my t-shirts not here yet? That means they're selling. No, I've not packed my t-shirts. It's still in the old house.
That's what I was like. It's supposed to be more.
You can come on the one that I printed safe.
Exactly. Then here.
Jeans.
These are leggings. Then here is just stop.
Where will my pants go?
Down.
Is pants not supposed to be up?
You can put it up if you want. But me, I prefer top up here now.
Okay. Do you know this? I wouldn't have thought of putting top like this way. It actually makes sense. Because folding top now, they're very annoying.
Yeah. Which one of these ones will not enter? These are ones I'm hanging.
Okay.
So top should be here.
What is up there again? T-shirts. T-shirts. You don't want to put t-shirts here. Let's put pants there. No, there's more. T-shirts can go here, but jean and t-shirt. I have sense. What is it? Ofua.
I wasn't there before. Where is it? Only 4. You not even sense. But I saw your mesh shirt. You not put them inside here. This down place.
I actually want a safe. Now my stay at home filming trouser.
Okay. Yeah, you can put it in your right way.
Yes, I think so.
Oh, you're supposed to buy me new light.
No, I will. With time. I've got joy in King. Hey guys, welcome to my closet. I cannot believe we're at this point, okay? But before I show you guys my closet, which I absolutely love, see, I feel like every part of my house I show you guys, I always say this is my favorite part of the house. But truthfully, this is my 3rd favorite part of the house. But or maybe 4th at this point. I think I prefer my toilet. But anyways, welcome to my closet. Before I show you guys a quick tour, I don't know how this video will go. I don't know how, I don't even know the progression of these videos. But I just wanted to give a big shout out to Danny, the person that did my closet. He has over 10 years experience in the industry and he's so good at his job. He worked with TRT Redo for over 10 years and trust me, his job speaks for itself. I'm going to tag him below, put his details, his number, because I know that when I put up my kitchen, a lot of you asked for the detail of the person that did my kitchen. Yes, he also did my kitchen. TRT already drew my plan, and the story is long. Long story short, I ended up going with Danny, who has over 10 years of experience with them, and I love every single thing. You guys have already seen my kitchen tour. He did all the closets in this house, my walk-in and all the kids' rooms. Like every single woodwork in this house was done by Danny, okay? I'm going to put his Instagram. I'm sure you must have been seeing it on the screen as I'm speaking. And he also did like the vanities in the bathroom. And yeah, just anything that entails wood in this house was done by the same person. And he came from Abuja. So no matter where you live, trust me, he will meet you there. Trust me. If you work with Danny, you will know, you will understand what I'm saying. Very easy to work with. I feel like I'm not even giving him all the flowers he deserves. Like, he's very easy to work with. He's a very humble guy. Trust me, just check him out. Check out his details, his business, everything will be down below. That being said, welcome to my closet. Divided this is me and my husband's room. Of course, we share a room, we share closet, we share toilet. To be honest, I know people have their rooms and their husbands have their husbands have their own rooms. I don't get it. Like, I truly don't get it, but I'm not judging, of course. So we have the same room, the same closet, just I have my side, he has his side. So this is my husband's side. This side over here is for my husband, and this side over here is for me. And why I chose this side is because when you're coming in from the room, this is where you see. And I know my closet side is going to be arranged all the time. So I'm like, I'm definitely taking this side, and I give my husband that side. Okay. There's really nothing much to see, to be honest. Basically, this is not even how it's going to look at the end of the day. For example, we don't have a dressing table yet. Like in our room, there's no dressing table yet. So some things that would have been in the dressing table, they're actually inside here now, like my cream and all that. I don't dress up in the closet. I don't get it. I dress up my room. I don't get it, okay? So those things are still here for now. Eventually, I'll figure things out. This closet is so empty. Me and my husband, I'm actually just realizing that we don't wear clothes. We don't have clothes. My husband can wear the same set of shirts for 5 to 10 years and be okay with it. Again, I do not have a lot of bags. I don't have a lot of shoes. This is all I have. Like I don't have shoes. I don't have bags. So yeah, here I have my shoes and some of my bags. My friend just gifted me this bag. My friend just gifted me this bag, and I love it so much. I think it's from Zara, and it's so cute. Like it's so cute. A lot of my wigs are up there, and they're still in cartons. Like, yeah, I don't know. Eventually, I think I'll sell some wigs or give out some wigs. I don't even know, but I have my wigs there. And you guys, I love that I have this space. I love this chair where I can just sit down. You can even read here. You can do whatever. I don't read that much, let me not lie. But I can do whatever. I have a socket here in case you need to charge. You can even work with your laptop. You can seriously do anything here. You can even have a friend over here, just gist and whatnot. I just like that I have this sitting area. It's very